court number 4, calling players Peps A and Lauren Junhao versus Austin Ma and Josiah Tan. Again, court number 4, Peps A and Lauren Junhao versus Austin Ma and Josiah Tan. Court number 8, Mavic Damasco and May versus Red Escalona. Red Escalona and Alma Huguy. Again, court number 8, Mavic Damasco and May versus Red Escalona and Alma Huguy. Versus Red Escalona and Alma Huguy. Court number 8. Court number 3, Patrick Aguamos and Jake Aguilar versus Jude Ubertias and Jude Medula. Again, court number 3, Patrick versus Jake Aguilar and Jude versus Jude and Jude. Court number 3, calling Patrick and Jake and Jude. Players for court number 3, Patrick Aguamos and Jake Aguilar versus Jude Bacarias and Jude Medula. Standby players for court number 6, Brian Cador and Oliver Miller versus Romeo Fernandez and Mark Alcázar. Standby players for court number 5, Sharon Reginaldo and Sam Chanco versus Teresia and Hannah. Court number 5, calling standby players James and Winsop versus Kevin and Sridhar. Next players for court number 5, James and NJ Winsop versus Kevin and Sridhar.
versus Kevin Gablan and Cesar. Players for court number 6, Brian Candor and Oliver Aguilion versus Romeo Fernandez Jr. and Mark Anthony Catena. Players for court number 2,
The next one.
Emmanuel Saludo and Angelo Sabanal versus Ian Del Barrio and Samuel Silva. Once again, calling players for